Hello everyone, this is my advanced character rigging, advanced hand rigging demonstration. So this is the rigged hand I built from zero. It's not a meta rig or something like that. It's built from zero by me. You can find the tutorial in my channel, but let's first see what we can do with this hand. So obviously we can rotate each section of the finger is fully controllable, as you can see. Very nice. Thumb, everything. You can play the way you want. You have this finger, side fingers controller, very nice. Basically we have the root bone of the finger. Okay, we have the controllers, scale in, scale out, in, out, very nice. All this is to eliminate the counter animation problems. So we also have the layers. Let me show you. These are all the bones I built this hand. So it's 56 bones for just one hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you can turn off the layers very nicely. We also have 10 poses I just made. So what does mean? Let's look. Let me open a new window. Yeah. No. So what does mean? The first pose, it's a fist. Basically with one move you can create a pose. The second one, you can turn and turn, very nice. The third one, let me the fourth, yo, the fifth is the this. Okay, the sixth, the seventh, a relaxed hand, very cool. Very nice. The ninth, a straight fingers. And the last one, 10th. Show the says. Show me the says. Very nice. So this rigged model, this advanced this is how advanced rigid for Blender and general for 3D object. So you can find this model in Blender market if it's get approved, or in TurboSquid. So you will find the link in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope it's useful for you. So bye.